Today's recipe is Musk Melon Ice Cream. So let's start. For this recipe, I am taking one medium-sized muskmelon. I am going to cut this into two halves and remove the seeds using a spoon. Let's discard all the seeds in the same manner. I am now going to use a spoon and take out the pulp. Using a spoon, you can easily take out the pulp. I am going to take out all the pulp from the muskmelon and transfer it into the mixer jar. Now that we have taken all the pulp from the muskmelons, it's time to add the fresh cream. I'm going to use 250 ml of fresh cream for this. I'm going to transfer this also into a mixer jar. To this I'm going to add about half tin of condensed milk. You can add up to 3/4 tin of condensed milk. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and grind to smooth paste like this. You can pour this onto airtight containers or cake tin as shown here. I am going to cover the ice cream tray using the aluminium foil to prevent the formation of ice crystals. We need to keep this in the freezer overnight or for minimum 8 hours. I have kept the ice cream overnight in the freezer, so let's open this now. Creamy and tasty musk melon ice cream is ready to serve. This refreshing summer special ice cream is so easy to make and it's tasty too. Please do give this a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe for more videos.